Christmas is incomplete without the elves. Today I am going to tell you a story of elves in an enchanted forest. It's a magical tale of friendship and unity. Once upon a time, in the heart of the enchanted forest, there lived a community of cheerful and mischievous elves. These elves were known far and wide for their magical abilities and their love for celebrating life in the most enchanting ways. One bright and sunny day, as the leaves of the ancient trees whispered secrets to each other, the elves gathered in the central clearing for the most awaited event of the year, the Enchanted Forest Festival. The festival was a magical spectacle where the elves showcased their talents and shared laughter, joy, and stories. Leading the festivities was Twinkle, a bubbly elf with sparkling green eyes and a heart full of kindness. She wore a dress made of leaves that shimmered like emeralds in the sunlight. Twinkle's best friend, Sparkle, was a mischievous elf with a penchant for pranks, but today she promised to behave for the special occasion. The elves had prepared for weeks, creating delightful treats, crafting colorful decorations, and practicing their magical performances. As the sun dipped below the horizon, the enchanted fireflies lit up the clearing, casting a soft glow on the gathered elves. The festival kicked off with a grand parade of elves showcasing their magical talents. There were elves juggling rainbow-colored orbs, others dancing on air, and some even riding miniature unicorns that appeared out of thin air. The laughter of the elves echoed through the forest as they shared their enchanting skills with one another. In the midst of the festivities, a mysterious figure appeared at the edge of the clearing. It was Luna, the wise elder elf, who rarely left her treetop home. With her silver hair and a robe that shimmered like the moonlit sky, Luna brought an air of magic and wisdom to the festival. Luna approached Twinkle and Sparkle, her eyes twinkling with ancient knowledge. Dear elves, the Enchanted Forest Festival is a time for joy and unity. But remember, the true magic lies in the friendships you share and the love you spread. Twinkle and Sparkle nodded, understanding the wisdom in Luna's words. The festival continued with even more enchanting performances, and the elves danced beneath the stars until the moon was high in the sky. As the night unfolded, the elves gathered around a bonfire to share stories and laughter. Twinkle, Sparkle, and Luna sat together, their hearts filled with the warmth of friendship. And so, under the magical moonlight, the Enchanted Forest Festival became a cherished memory for all the elves, reminding them that the real magic was in the love and unity they shared with each other. And so, every year, the Enchanted Forest Festival became a tradition, a celebration of magic, friendship, and the enchanting wonders of their mystical home.
If you enjoy our content, do not forget to like, subscribe and share our videos.